Welcome. So in this video, we're gonna find out why does Roblox keep crashing and how do we fix it. Okay. So first of all, there are a lot of reasons why Roblox keeps crashing. Okay. So these are the reasons. So first, your internet connection. Okay. So you need to make sure that your internet connection is fast because when your internet connection is not that great, it may affect your Roblox. Okay. Now the second one is lost system sources. Okay. So that means your resources are limited. Third one is you have outdated or corrupt drivers. So next you have corrupted game files. So what you can do is to just go ahead and delete all of your files that is connected on in Roblox and install it again, and you need to make sure that you use the official website of Roblox, okay, so that you can avoid this kind of problem. Fifth is the server issues. So you need to make sure that the server of Roblox is operational. So you can check that by searching on your browser status.roblox.com. Okay. So now sixth is game settings. Okay. So this is the last one. Game settings, if you set your Roblox in high resolution and your device cannot support it. And now I'm gonna show you on how you can fix this. Okay. So first of all, you want to open your or click on your start icon and search for Roblox player. Okay, so right click on your Roblox player, click on open file location, right click it again, click on properties. Here in compatibility, you want to click on run compatibility troubleshooter, and let's just hope that this would fix any problems. Okay, so now select troubleshooting option. So I'm just gonna try recommended settings. So you can just go ahead and click on the test the program. Okay, so now here at the compatibility mode, you want to check this and choose Windows 7. Okay, and here at the settings, you can either choose disable full screen optimization or run this program as an administrator. Okay, or check the both of them, click on apply and okay. Okay, so after that, just go ahead and restart your device and that should fix your problem. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.